Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about the Vata dosh of Tridosha. It is one of the Tridosha and governs the principle of the transportation in a body, and it is governed by the umbilicus part. In Ayurveda there is one Sanskrit shlok about Vata dosha. Tatra ruksho laghu shita khara sukshim chalo nila. Means Vata people have the rough skin, dry skin, coldness in their body and the movement in the body, and these people are more flexible, and these people are very creative, and Vata people are blessed with the quick thinking and quick decision taking, but they can forget things also easily. Their memory is very weak, so they have a lot of anxiety and fear issues, and because of the anxiety and fear, these people do not have the strong will, and they are more prone to the diseases, and they are more prone to the joint pain problems and arthritis and various other diseases. The Vata people are do not have a very strong body, and these people are very thin, and they are usually have a very rough skin. The Vata dosha is of 5 types. First is the Prana Vata. Prana Vata is governed by the brain area, and it is responsible for the thinking, and it is responsible for the nerve issues, and it is responsible for the sensory perception, inhalation, heartbeat, ingestion of food, coughing, spitting, and all these type of movement. And even happiness and joy are also governed by the Prana Vata. Stress and the lack of sleep can throw Prana Vata out of balance, which can result in the weakened senses. Second type of dosha is the Udana Vata. Udana Vata mainly governs the chest area, and it moves upwards from the navel towards the heart, lungs, throat, and even fall out of balance with wrong eating habits. And there are many Udana Vata issues like breathing issues, tightness in the chest, occasional congestion, hoarseness, throat discomfort. So the breathing issues and all the Udana Vata doshas are controlled by the pranayam. Then third type of Vata is the Vyana Vata. Vyana Vata regulates the circulation of the heart, and it represents consciousness, because the heart is the seat of the consciousness and unconditional love. Vyana Vata circulates all the Rakta Dhatu throughout the body, and it increases or decreases heart rate, and muscle cramping is responsible by the Vyana Vata. Vyana Vata can also be controlled by pranayam and doing exercise regularly, and some by meditation also it can be controlled. Then fourth type of Vata dosha is the Apana Vata. Apana Vata mainly responsible for the peristalsis movement, and it also below the navel area, and it represents the seat of the Vata dosha, and it is all about space and air. Apana Vata governs the entire pelvic cavity and the reproductive organ uterus, and it is responsible for the female bleeding and the menstrual cycles. And whenever there is disturbance in the Apana Vata, it is responsible for the reproductive issues also, and it leads to the various issues, female issues and it can be controlled by taking black sesame seeds, which are very useful for the Apana Vata problem. And Apana Vata can be diagnosed by the menstrual issues, overactive bladder, diarrhea, and wrong eating habits. It can be diagnosed. Then fifth type of Vata dosha is the Samana Vata. Samana Vata governs the digestive organs and the area below the chest and the above the navel. The stomach, the small intestine, large intestine, liver, pancreas, all are governed by the Samana Vata. It represents the Agni dosha, and it is responsible for not only digesting but also for the separating the nutrients from a digestive tract. It can be controlled by taking ajwain and jeera water regularly. Then we can balance the this apana vata, and it can also be balanced by the pranayam and meditation exercise. So this is all about the vata dosha, and in the next video I will come with the doshas. Thank you.